What's up everyone, it's Jeption Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media, tech, AI, storytelling and business strategy. In the year 2007, on 2nd July, I had completed my first manuscript to a book titled The Rattle of the Snake. This manuscript was 29,628 words, and in book it was 107 pages, and I submitted this manuscript to East Africa Educational Publishers, requesting for them to review the manuscript to be considered for publishing. But a year later, this same manuscript was rejected or was sent back to me because it was not good enough to be published and sold to the public. And that was the last time I thought of writing a book. But the desire to write a book was never lost. And that is why 18 years down the line, I have found a way that I can utilize the free AI tools to write my first book. And that is what I'm going to share with you on this video. In this video, I'm going to be addressing 3 categories of people. The first type of people are those people who have typed their book, they have it on their computer, but they feel the book is not good enough to be published. The second category of people are those people who have the idea of the book, they like writing, but they don't know how to go about because they feel they are not matured enough in writing. The third type of person is that person who have written maybe 1 or 2 chapters and they've been procrastinating of completing their book or writing their book. And also those people who have blogs but they don't know that they can turn their blogs into a book. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to utilize the free AI tools that we have at hand to tell your story in a book. Stay tuned.
Chef Shoni Matai, a legend in the making. Chef Shoni, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
So the first category of people that I would like to reach out are those people who have book ideas and they would like to write that book, but they don't know where to get started. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use AI tools, the free AI tools, like for example, this one is Gemini AI from Google. You can use there is also the free AI tool from Microsoft called Copilot. You need to install Microsoft browser in order to access this AI tool called Copilot. So when you install Microsoft browser and open it, as you can see on the screen here, this is Microsoft browser. You go to your far right, you will see an icon, a blue icon. This is Copilot. Click on it, and as you can see, this is Copilot. So from here now, you can start writing your book from here using the chat session here. I know many people are not aware that they're able to be guided by the AI tool to write their first book. So when you come here, it is important to maybe choose Think Deeper so that you can get more information about the topic that you've chosen, or you can pick Smart GPT-5 and you'll be able to start chatting with this tool, telling the first thing that you will need to do. For example, for this idea is to tell the AI tool what you would like to write. So I'll be reviewing an example that I've done in the past for your information. So for me, the first step in the idea I had was to tell the AI tool that I have a synopsis of this idea and I would like to write maybe a TV show or a book for the same. So I'd said here, rewrite this paragraph for me. this synopsis for a thriller TV series show, and I can convert this same synopsis to a book. So I explained everything about the idea that I have, and the AI tool gave me this synopsis, and this same synopsis can help you now come up with the chapters for the book. Once you have this synopsis, you can copy this synopsis, or you can tell the AI now tool to write for you the ideas for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, so that you can have an organized and say, let's now work on chapter 1, for example. So once you have the synopsis, as you can see here, this is the synopsis of my book idea that I have, that Gemini generated it for me. And as you can see, let's read. Chemosi, a reclusive freelance video editor in his early 30s, is trapped in a spiral of self-destruction. His lucrative online career, a refuge after a failed attempt at traditional media, has become the breeding ground for a creeping addiction to pornography. So once you have this all synopsis for the book, you can now start writing your first book. So this process is for someone who has an idea for their first book, but they don't know where to start. And this is how you can use the free AI tools to write your first book. So the second category of people or writers that I'd like to reach out on this video are those people who have written their book, they have typed it, and they have it on their computer, on their email or Google Drive, and they still believe, or they still feel, that the book is not good enough to be published or sent to be published. The first step is to save your book in PDF format in your computer. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the information on Google Docs. So once you paste, you save the book under the name or the title of that book. I recommend that you use Gemini, but you can still use any other AI tool to do this because it does the job well. I have tried Grok AI from X and it does the job well, but now it forgets the information that you've typed, for example, in another chapter. When you go to another chapter, it repeats itself a lot. So that is the downside of Grok AI. So I recommend that you try probably this Google, because it has links with other applications. So once you have the book in PDF format or on Google Docs, you come here to Gemini and then tell the Gemini now that probably I want I need help to review my book that I have written, and on what I can improve in the book. Then now you come to the plus here, then upload the file if it is in PDF or add from Google Drive. So I'll give you an example of a book that I had written and saved it on Google Docs. This is the book that I'm writing currently. It was saved in Google Docs, and now as you can see here, from the first chart here, you see let me scroll up here. You can see this book was on Google Docs, and you can see I have a skeleton of a book written, and I have a lot of repetitions in the book because it was written with so I want to do this. I actually instructed the AI to help with this, and right now I'm in chapter 4 and I'm happy with the information that I'm getting with the help of AI. So this is the second type of people who have written the book, but they're not confident enough to send the book for publishing or to self-publish the same book. So the third category of people that I'm trying to reach out on this video are those people who have an incomplete book. They've been writing the book for the longest time they can remember. So if you have the book saved in Microsoft Word, I recommend that you save the document in PDF format, then you can upload to Gemini AI and start writing your book faster and efficiently. The beauty about using AI to write your book is the speed in which the book is reviewed and the help to organize the book in a manner that someone reading the book will grasp the idea faster. So once you save the book on PDF or on Google Docs, you come here and tell AI that you've written probably the first chapters of your book. You have synopsis, you have everything about the book, but now you have a problem in completing the book. And from here you can type here, and from here you can upload the book that is halfway, you've written halfway, incomplete, and from here now AI will help you write and complete your book. So the last category of writers or people I'll be addressing on this video are bloggers. Bloggers are people who specialize in a given niche to write articles, and I'm targeting specifically those people who have a personal blog or a business blog. They've been writing for the say 5 years. For the past 5 years, they've been sharing articles about a certain category of information. So you can convert your blog posts into probably a niche or an expert niche advice, or a booklet that people can read and learn from your experience. And with the help of AI, you can speed up this process of writing your book from or based on the blog posts that you've shared online on your blog. As you can see here, this is Gemini. You can ask the AI tool that you've chosen if they can help you write the book based on your blog post when you share a link to the blog post, to the blog. And as you can see here, Gemini says that it can. Once I provide the link, they can help me summarize the key themes, organize, draft, and write the blog post into a cohesive book-like narrative. And this is another idea. If you have never thought that you can convert your blog post and make it an asset or a book, this is a new opportunity that you can explore based on the blog post that you've shared on your website or on the niche that you're writing for. And that is it on today's video. I hope you found this video helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptionyi Mutai.
Cheptionyi Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptionyi, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.